Daytona Beach, Florida is home to Hanksters Hot Rods classic car and collector car showroom, where we house anywhere from 60 to 70 vehicles, most of which we own. So when we sell one of our classic cars, we always get asked about, not only paint condition, but paint quality and what the car actually looks like in person, so on and so forth, because most of our business is done sight unseen, and these cars are shipped all over the country and all over the globe. We are excited to announce our working relationship with EMS Mobile Detailing that is here locally to us in Daytona Beach. They're actually located in Port Orange. And they are going to be handling a ceramic coating, a 9-year ceramic coating today on our 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. So without further ado, I'm going to toss you off to Reese, the owner of EMS Mobile Detailing, and he's going to explain to you a little bit about, first of all, what ceramic coating is if you're not familiar with it, what ceramic coating could mean for your classic car, truck, or SUV, and the different packages that they offer when it comes to ceramic detailing. So Reese, if you could just explain a little bit about what we're going to do today to the 69 Chevelle so that people know what they're signing up for when they buy this packet.
Of course, that's awesome. All right, so what basically ceramic coating is, it is a liquid glass that goes over the surfaces of all the vehicle. We perform a 9-year ceramic coating, which goes on the wheels, goes on the paint, goes on the windows, and it goes on all the trim. What this does is it protects it, makes it extremely hydrophobic, so the water is going to beat off and not sit on the vehicle. It's going to protect the shine and the buff on the paint. You also do not have to wax the vehicle, so it looks like it's been buffed that morning for the 9 years. We wash, decontaminate it, which it's already been done. We're gonna come in, we're going to put buffing on. We're gonna get all the light scratches and the swirl marks and all the rest of that off, bring that natural shine back out, and then we apply the coating. The coating goes on, it takes about 4 or 5 hours. It has to fully cure, and once it's fully cured, you are good to go for the 9 years.
Cool. So how long does the whole process take from start to finish on a vehicle? Let's say we need to buff it and we need the ceramic coat. How long is that whole process going to take on a car like this?
Okay, so a car like this, it's probably going to take 4 or 5 hours because you don't want any paint or dust or debris falling on the paint after we do it. And also it helps ensure that the ceramic coating cures correctly.
Okay, so lastly, what does the customer have as far as a warranty when it comes to this product, and how, if they have any problems with the paint, how do they redeem that warranty, or who is that warranty through?
All right, that's awesome. So our 9-year product is backed by Car Candy themselves. Once you get the vehicle, you register it with your information. We give you a little VIN number ID, plug it all in, and they back it for the 9 years. So it is very easy to redeem, and it's also backed by the company that makes the ceramic coating. So it's not me that's doing it. It is Car Candy Products LLC, I believe.
Cool. Awesome. So that is yet another service we are offering here to our clientele at Hanksters Hot Rods, Daytona Beach. If you are interested in this service, obviously we need to get it done before your car ships. Reese has given me his word that he will be able to accommodate us in order to get the car in, get it done as quickly as possible so we can get it going to California, Texas, Ohio, North Carolina, wherever we're shipping your vehicle. 386-944-9219 is our contact phone here in Daytona Beach. Hanksters.com is our website. Again, if you are interested in ceramic coating, please talk to your salesman about adding it to the sale prior to the vehicle shipping. Hanksters Hot Rods, Hanksters.com. Check us out.